My name is Julie. I'm from Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and I'm the owner of a wholesale winter apparel business. Before my shoulder surgery, the pain was intense. Just reaching across my body or trying to reach really anything just created a lot of pain. Sleeping was miserable. It was difficult. When I had broke my right shoulder, it had actually ultimately cut off blood supply to the shoulder. 5 years later, after the pain continued to get more and more intense, I went to see Dr. Hurd.
After trying a few things to see if we could get her to feel better, we came to the conclusion that she also needed a shoulder replacement.
The day of the surgery, although I thought I would be nervous, I actually was anxious. I was anxious to get it done and over with and get on with life again. Recovery wasn't what I expected. It was so much better. I just didn't have any problems, and I feel as if life is pretty much back to normal. Dr. Hurd tells me that, it's a year for full recovery. If that's the case, things are going to be great a year from now. I am so fortunate that I'm able to spend my summers at the lake in Okoboji, and my greatest times and memories really come from being surrounded with my family, with my grandchildren, a house full of people, and even their 4 dogs that they bring along with them.